Hello friends, today we would like to discuss about how to install Ubuntu 20.0 for Focal Fossa version. Actually it is a latest version of Ubuntu and it is more user friendly, and I'm proud to be able to describe the installation step of Ubuntu 20.04 by using ISO image file on YouTube.
On April 23rd, the day it was published on their official website. Actually, Ubuntu is freely available and its downloading link is given in the description, and you can download it freely. Here you can see I downloaded the LTS version on April 25, the beta version before the official announcement, but I published this video 1 week later. Next you have to download Rufus for booting purpose. Its link is also given in the description. Now we downloaded the Rufus, and next we inserted a 16 GB USB. Here we have to boot the OS. Next we are going to open Rufus and then choose select option. Here we should select Ubuntu 20.0 for ISO image file. Start. All data in the pen drive will be deleted. Now the booting process is successfully completed, and we should close the window, and we should restart the PC and continuously press F12 or booting key and select USB drive. Now the system detected the bootable media, and wait until we see the next window showing try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu option. Next we select install Ubuntu option and then select your language, then select whether or not you have internet connection. Then we should select something else, hence we have to install on partition. Next step is very important for the installation of Ubuntu. We should select swap area as 2048 MB and EFI as 100 MB. Next we must select the partition where we want to install Ubuntu. Click install now, then continue. Create your own username and password. After few minutes you can see the installation is completed, and restart now. Now a notification window appears. Please remove the installation medium. Hence we have to remove the USB drive and press enter.
Now the installation is successfully completed. Actually it is my first technical video on my new channel. I expect your support and subscription, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any technical doubt, you can ask in my comment box.